Hello, so in this video I'd like to talk about file management. Staying organized is critical, and so I'm going to discuss some guiding principles and things to avoid or look out for. So to start, let's go to this document we had going before, which was like this. And let me save this. As something else. Okay, so I'm going to make a new folder. And I'm going to call my folder File Management Demo. Create. And I'm going to make this my index. And I'm going to save. Let's see. And then I'm going to grab my kitten. And move it over. Okay, so in my folder, this will be my root. I have my index and one image, and then we're going to open that up. And refresh. And things are still working, sort of. Okay. So first thing is naming. If you've noticed, I've only used lowercase letters. So on that is important. If you have uppercase letters, it's going to work on your computer, but it might not work when we host things on the actual internet. Another thing is spaces. So spaces are not the end of the world. So I'm going to just rename this thing here. Just simplify the name a little. Update this. Whoopsie. Copy that. Paste it over here. Save and refresh. It still works, but if we were to open this in our browser, open just our cute kitten, and we look at the file name, go down over here, it's got this ugly percentage 20 thing, and that looks bad, but it also can cause problems in your site. So if you need a space, it's better to have either an underscore or a dash. Let's just make a dash. Okay, the next thing is organizing stuff. So we're going to get into more complicated things, but let's say we have many images in our site, which is probably going to happen. We need to start organizing it into folders. So I'm going to make a new folder called IMG. And why IMG? Okay, so good rule of thumb is you want your folders, it's a convention, IMG, but you want your folders to be descriptive, IMG for image. You want them to be short and descriptive and lowercase. And the nice thing about all those things is they save you time in typing and they won't cause any problem. So if I put this in here, and then I go back to our site, which is this, where did it go? Oh, I lost our website. We've lost our kit. Why is that? Well, this link here originally said in the same root directory as your, whatever this file is, find this image. And what we need to do now is it's in a folder. So we got to do IMG, save, reload. And now we're back in action. What other things should I talk about here? You want to avoid numbers at the beginning of file names, but it's not the end of the world. And we're going to create a few more folders that you will see quite often. So one is going to be CSS, and this is where we're going to control and store our style sheets, which control how the page ends up looking. And we're also going to make a JS folder, which I'm not sure if we're going to get into in this class, but that's JavaScript, which adds behavior. In a website, at bare bones, you're probably going to see this kind of structure. Okay.